AI tools are now targets of advanced cyber attacks. If you're using AI for your business, you need to know this. Hackers love AI tools because they handle sensitive data, client info, project files, financial records. Bad actors exploit AI vulnerabilities to steal credentials, inject malicious prompts, or manipulate outputs. Freelancers and small businesses often skip security, making them easy targets. Understanding the threat is step 1 to protection. SPAC and AST. One lie in the middle attacks intercept API calls between your tool and servers. Account takeovers happen through weak passwords on AI accounts, plugin exploits and data poisoning attacks. Bug-in exploits and data poisoning attacks manipulate our training data. These aren't theoretical, they're happening now to real users worldwide. Never paste sensitive client data directly into public AI tools. Choose enterprise-grade AI platforms with encryption and compliance certifications. Monitor AI activity regularly. Keep software updated. Use VPNs for added security. These simple steps drastically reduce your attack surface and keep your business safe. We recommend ChatGPT Plus with enterprise settings, Claude with AI security, and Midjourney's private workspace features. For developers, use OpenAI's business plans. For teams, try Anthropic's Claude AI with SOC 2 compliance. Always check the tool's security documentation before adoption. Your data security is non-negotiable. Hit subscribe for more AI security tips. Like this video and drop a comment. What's your biggest AI security tips list?